Okay, hey guys.
Hey guys.
We're having these little group chats that I'm going to start with my new little YouTube channel. And so I'm just going to be checking in with moms, and we're going to be talking about little quick subjects about, motherhood and marriage and different things like that. So today, Kimberly.
Hey guys.
She's back.
I'm back.
And she's going to give her 2 cents on a quick little topic. And we're going to talk about helicopter parenting. Helicopter parenting is basically like hovering over your children and thank you. Helicopter parenting, where it's basically
I don't believe that she is. No, she's not actually, because it's cute.
Okay, so we're back to the helicopter parenting. So basically, helicopter parenting is when you like hovering over your kids, trying to make sure they're doing everything they're supposed to do, and just like not really giving them the freedom that they need to be able to, do their own thing. And then, of course, there's other parenting where it's like, you kind of just let them be totally independent. And so we're just talking about our view on helicopter parenting in this day and age. Like, do we have to do helicopter parenting with all the scary stuff that goes on, like with the schools, kids getting social media, the human trafficking, like all, with all this stuff. So, what do you think about helicopter parenting?
I try not to be too, I guess, with my children now, I'm always thinking about not being that one mom, like you said, hovering over my children. Okay, don't do this, don't do that.
Right.
What are you looking at? I'm always trying to...
oh, yeah, with like YouTube. So do you like monitor their YouTube? Like, how do you handle that?
I do monitor their YouTube, but it's so funny because if they're looking at something and I look at them and it's something new I haven't seen, what's this? And
I do that too.
Be like, and it might be something that's not even bad.
Right.
I don't even know why they would act like that. So I'm just like, let me see it. And if it's fine, then you can watch it.
Right.
But you're not.
Because what are the kind of stuff that they're watching? Like, what do you see them? Because there's so much on YouTube.
There is. They're still kind of. They're not super baby stuff, but.
Do they watch like reality shows on there, like the
no,
kid
not
shows?
Yet. Okay. Not yet. Only that little crazy one, Ryan's toy review.
Oh, Ryan's toy. Okay.
That's about it. But they'll watch different stuff with the language, but they will watch it. It's so funny because my she will watch it too. Barbie's Dream.
Oh yeah, all these different little Barbie shows.
And they're like grown.
Yeah, it's kind of creepy, right? Yeah.
No, they're like grown.
No, they are. It's like creepy.
Loves it, of course. She loves it because she loves foolishness and anything that's about a woman. So I'm trying not to monitor them, without giving them a little bit of freedom.
Right.
But still making sure that they're not doing or watching anything that's crazy.
Right.
Or that can be, harmful or have them thinking any type of a way.
Or have too much like high sex content.
Oh, yeah. But Dina's always like, you need to go on a date with Daddy.
Yeah.
And you guys, when you're on the date, you guys need to hold hands and you need to kiss. Really?
Because she's probably watching that.
Yeah,
on Barbie. Yes, because they talk about that.
Barbie.
So when we were in Atlanta, the kids used to always watch that Barbie show. That's what they were into. They were into like that Barbie show. Like what, and then they had like the little Barbies and they would do it was like little skits. Mm-hmm. It was weird. And so they started on that, but now they have different interests. Like Nas and Savannah kind of have similar interests. Like they both watch that Queen and Clarence. Like little reality, it's Queen and Clarence. They're like they're a reality show. They're like a little younger. Like we used to watch all kind of crazy stuff.
Yeah.
And we turned out fine. And we turned out fine. So I'm just like, I don't want to overdo it where it's like we're just too, watching them too much because they have to kind of figure out on their own, like, what they're into. Like I don't want them to make them feel like they're doing something bad.
Exactly.
Especially at their age, they know about sex and they know about, of course I don't want them watching pornography.
Exactly.
But like if there's like a sex content conversation or something, I do, monitor it, but I also want them to be able to ask questions about it.
Yeah,
like,
to have a conversation.
Like to have a conversation about it. So it's kind of hard though, just because, we know all the things that are happening in social media world, internet world, or whatever. We do try to kind of guard them, but it's like I feel like our kids now, they have so much more access to seeing everything. So it's like it's kind of hard to block stuff. It's like I'm not going to be sitting over you in your room while you're watching. Usually like, okay, so what are we watching next? But sometimes I will watch a show with them. Like if they're watching something, if I'm doing their hair or something, and they're watching, I'm like, oh, okay, let's watch it. Then I can kind of see what the context is. And Brooke, she really likes scary stories, so she watches like those scary story type things, like what the moms are talking about. It's like they have like little skits where they talk about like scary stuff with moms and kids, and then there's some teenagers that do it too. So she watches like different ones. Okay. And she's really into like scary stuff. So she loves listening to scary stories.
Yeah, she's gonna scare herself.
She was scared herself. And I'm like, you're not scared? She's like, no, it's just funny. So she's into that.
Exactly.
And then Nas is into like sports, so he's watching like highlights, football highlights. And he watches like different subject matters on like entrepreneurship, and like he's into that. And it was funny because it's like that's where they get their content from, their conversation content from. Where like he's like, what do we even need to go to school for? Like you don't even need that. Because they're listening to
He been watching Gary Vee. You're like, I don't need that shit.
I didn't need this shit. Do you remember this?
Exactly.
Do you remember how to do this stuff? What the hell I need this for? So yeah. But it's still, I'm like, you need it because you have to have it, and that's it. So shut up. That's what you're gonna do.
Don't get the answer
That's
about
about it. Now I'm hovering.
Exactly.
You
get carried away.
You get carried away. So yeah.
But yeah, that is, you do have to kind of monitor. But like you said, I don't want, like when I do check them, like I said, I don't want them getting scared. Like, oh,
yeah, or have to hide.
We have 2 salads over here, no feta.
Here.
How did all the pictures outside
Thank you. Okay, so our food is here, so we will be back.